This is Kandy town. And as I say, I am going and heading off to Kandy View Point. And it's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah, I'm from Nepal, yes. Ma'am, Santi ma'am. We are going to Kandy View Point today. New Kandy City Center हो यहाँको ठुलो एकदमै ठुलो सिटी सेन्टर यही नै रहेछ क्यान्डीको सिटी सेन्टर राम्रो चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ they have a lake, beautiful lake, Kandy Lake. What is the name of this lake? Kandy Lake. Yeah, Kandy Lake. Very beautiful. Okay, this is Kandy town viewpoint, and this is the Kandy Lake, a very beautiful and popular lake of Kandy, and this is a historical place for the Kandian. And yeah, this is really beautiful. Wow, amazing. Oh, and this is Kandy town. Everywhere is like it's like a valley. Kandy is just like a valley, and this is the Kandy town. We can see the whole Kandy town from here. Hello guys, welcome back once again, and we are here today at Kandy's Bird Park and Recreation Center, Hanthana International. Yes. Okay, this is the bird park entrance. Let's go. Where do you need to take ticket? Think?
It's up there.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this is parking lot. Oh, it's so sunny day. It's a very, very hot day. And in Nepal, it's raining.
Raining. Oh.
Yeah, and the weather is so gloomy and so hot. And no, so cold. My mother-in-law, when I talked with her this morning, she was wearing her long coat and sweater, everything. And still they are like, at night time, they are having that big,
Yeah.
like, you know, the quilts, you know,
Yeah.
the bed quilts. Yeah, big, the thick one. Oh, I can hear the birds. So I think we need to pay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Wow, look at the view. See,
Yeah.
so nice. I can hear the birds, but it's so pity to see them, nah? Inside the cages. Can I take some pictures over here? Yeah, they are taking pictures. Bird park. Yeah, after everyone will go, we'll just take one picture here. Hanthana. Welcome to the bird park, Hanthana International Bird Park. Welcome, Amandi.
Hello.
Oh, they have horse safari also. Horse safari. They have
Yeah.
horses? Yeah, we need to check that out. Oh, wow. It's cool. Huh. It's kingfisher, na? This bird? Which bird is this? Kingfisher, I think.
You know?
Okay.
Kingfishers are blue.
Yeah.
This is
Black, na?
big snake.
It's a sparrow. Is it a sparrow? No.
Oh, there.
Looks like a sparrow. Oh. Wow. This is something new. See? Wow. Beautiful. They made it in the wall itself.
Yeah.
It's look like they made it from the wall. And I just love all very much. This bird is like very silent and very, you know, clever. Oh, woodpecker. Woodcutter or woodpecker. Yes, woodpecker. Not kingfisher, woodpecker. Yes. It's the parrot. Parrots. Oh, it's a tree man here. Wow. They have that angel wing. I'll have to have one picture over here. We'll
3,500.
Oh, okay. Is it
Locals have it?
Any discount for the SAARC countries? No, right? No? SAARC country? SAARC country. Any discount for SAARC country? No. 3,500? Yeah. Can you hold it for me?
Sure.
Yeah, put it on. How much for her? Like for Sri Lanka? No, it's free for Sri Lanka. It's free for you?
No, I don't think so.
Sri Lanka
Locals,
citizen.
700, right? Yeah.
Local. Local 700?
Yeah.
How much? 3,500 and 700. How much? Total?
Huh? Guide free anukla. Guide. Yeah, look.
4,200. In our countries, in most of the places we have SAARC countries discount.
They don't have, I think.
They don't have. Yeah. It's okay. 4,200, 3,500 for me and 700.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. This is the only bird park in Kandy?
Yeah.
Is this only one, na? Oh, they are here. Hi. It's African grey parrot. Look, it's a very big bird park. From here, yeah. There and then here. We are here, right? Oh, yeah. Yes, there. Lots of birds are there. Let's go. Oh. Oh wow. Ah. Oh, is this a canteen?
Yes.
Which way? This way? Do you want to have something?
No.
Please. Emu. Hi. Wee. Yeah, the color is very nice. Orange, black. Oh wow! Yeah, I can see that. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Then otherwise it will. Ow! Nice. Ooh! Wow! Perfect. Yay. Bye. We are at the Temple of Tooth. This is the Buddhist temple and very famous in Kandy. And the majority people of Kandy, Sri Lanka, it's Buddhist. So this is the Buddhist temple. But in history, if we see, this used to be a palace, right?
This is the last kingdom
Okay.
in Sri Lanka.
Okay, the last kingdom of Sri Lanka. Kandian?
Yeah.
Kandian? Yeah, Kandian. And do you know the last king of Sri Lanka? Sri Bikram Rajasinha.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's his palace. Okay, and yeah. Now they have kept the Buddha's tooth there. Yeah. So, and who brought that tooth here in Sri Lanka? One lady, you said, na? Do you know her name? Not exactly. Okay, yeah. Is she Sri Lankan lady? I heard that she bought that tooth of Buddha, like hiding in her hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it? So yeah, yeah, that's the history, I guess, isn't it, Amandi?
Yes.
Yeah, because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know much about it, but what I only know is that this is the Temple of Tooth. That's it. Is this the Sri Lankan flag? No.
No,
In your
it's a
flag,
Buddhist flag.
in your flag there is a lion, right?
Yeah.
And what is the symbol of like having lion face in your flag? Do you have any reason behind it?
Yes. So you are recording.
Yeah.
Well. In Sinhala we say Shreshtatva,
Yeah.
which means strength
Okay.
and strength. And,
Yeah, lion is the symbol of strength.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. So that's the reason, is it?
Yes.
Simply.
Yeah. Simply
Yeah. No more.
strength.
Yes.
And in Sinhala there's this word called editara, but
Oh.
I don't know the exact English term of editara. We are not scared. We are like,
Brave.
yeah.
Symbol of bravery. And that's the palace. This is a small house where the queen used to have a bath, and I will take you there also. Okay. And I was like,
Doing this
worship.
worship and everything. So yeah, they have a specific time to open and do the worships and stuff.
Later, okay? Wait. Not now.
That's the Sri Lankan flag.